Good morning, everyone. Today we have with us our director, sir. First of all, how are you, sir?
Fine, बेटे.
Sir, I want to ask some questions about the teachers also and about the students also. First of all, how do you feel being the teacher?
But I think everyone is a teacher, everyone is student, and everyone is learning. The earth is a very big school. So everyone is learning. Even parents learn from their children that how to take care of the children. Indirectly they are teaching. A teacher is learning how to teach. A student is learning how to understand. So everyone is in the teaching mode and everyone is in the learning mode.
Sir, is there anything which you have learned from students being a teacher?
Yes, I have learned the explanations of some critical questions because when they are asking, only then sometimes a teacher is thinking that what is the possible explanation. And when with the grace of divinity, the right kind of explanation is coming in our mind, then obviously it is by the students.
सर माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ अगर आपको बाय चांस अपने यंग सेल्फ में जाने का मौका मिले तो आप एक स्टूडेंट की तरह स्कूल में आना पसंद करेंगे या बतौर टीचर बतौर डायरेक्टर सर यहाँ पे रहना पसंद करेंगे?
Every phase of our life has its own importance, and humans are having a natural liking toward their past. So we can't travel in the time back, but definitely everyone misses their childhood and past friends like that.
सर कैन यू प्लीज़ शेयर अ मेमोरी ऑफ योर चाइल्डहुड विच at this time also is very memorable for you?
Once I was with one of my friend Ashwani, who is in railway now. So we were staying in some park. I was in, I think, after 12th standard. So one boy around 8 to 10 years of age, he used to do boot polish. He approached us. He requested me that he want to, can you get your boot polished? I refused. He went, but after 1-2 minutes he again came back. Then he requested again कि भैया करा लीजिए. At that time I was having 2 rupee note in my pocket and I gave it to him because that was the, I think they used to take for boot polish. He took the money, but after taking the money he requested again कि भैया अब तो आपने पैसा भी दे दिया, अब तो करा लीजिए. So from that child who was quite younger to us, I learned that without doing hard work, we should not take the money because he already got the money, but still he was requesting that no, you get the work done. So I'm unable to forget that incident. It always motivates me.
Sir, my last question is any life mantra for the student to succeed in their life?
Have faith in God and always select the moral side. Continue to do the hard work. Try to help everyone whosoever is in the need. Respect your parents and give regard to your friends also.
So this was all for today's interview. Thank you and have a nice day.